How to delete Life 360 account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Life 360 application on your device. Now as you tap on that, you can see the home page for it. Just make sure that you have logged into your account. Then tap on the gear icon at the top left corner over here on the screen, and as you tap on that, just tap on the account option under universal settings. Tap on that, and after tapping on it, you can see the option of delete account under account management option. So tap on delete account, and here it will show you that deleting your account will delete your entire account and remove you from all circles on Life 360. So you just have to read all of this and confirm that you want to delete the account. So just tap on yes, I confirm to delete, and I confirm the above, and just tap on continue, and you'll be able to delete your Life 360 account over here. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.